This is just a short video showing you how to fix an issue that CodeBlocks has with SDL, and it has to do with loading images. Essentially, when you don't put in the full file path, when you just put in the name of the file and then you put in the file in the same directory as the exe, it won't be able to load it. So this is a very simple program. All it does is load hw.bitmap, hw standing for hello world. Oops, here is our image that it's supposed to be loading, and then it displays it to the screen. So if we run it, oh, and there's a little if statement here which will put in a text file image loaded incorrectly if, the image doesn't load. So we run it, and it's black. Okay, so what went wrong? Well, if we look here, we find, yeah, in the same directory as the exe, image loaded incorrectly. So obviously the image isn't loading. Simple enough, right? So how do we fix this? Well, this is where things get a bit odd, because if you don't run it from CodeBlocks, if you just, compile it and then go run it, from Windows, just double-clicking on the exe, it works, which is strange. So I wasn't sure why this was. So I did a little more poking around, and I decided, hey, what happens, I figured, hey, what happens if I put in the full file path and then run it from CodeBlocks? Strangely enough, it works. So basically, if you're having problems, either put in the full file path or only compile from CodeBlocks and then run manually. I'm really not sure why this is, if you're running it from CodeBlocks, you need the full file path. But I think the reason is that CodeBlocks probably isn't actually running this exe. It's probably running from somewhere else, some other directory, which doesn't have hw.bitmap in it. So when you specify the full file path, it can find it, but when you don't, it can't. So yeah, I think it's rather strange. Anyways, I just discovered, just by mucking about, I just discovered this little fix, so I figured I'd share it.